Hello everybody, I'm Xander from FunKing3d. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Sling Thursday. I'm either at a maker fair, a yard sale, or this is the 1-year anniversary of Xander's Sling Thursday.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
There is a lot of stuff on this table. This was the first ever Xander's Sling Thursday. It's a Fallout yes or no coin that I printed for my dad. Let's see if it can tell me if I should talk about everything on this table. The coin says no. So, I'll talk about a few things on this table. So, this is the second... Wait, this isn't the right one. This is the second Xander's Thing Thursday. It is a Roblox man, and I think it was the biggest print we did at the time. And it was definitely one of my favorites. There's so many things here to talk about. Let's talk about these pickaxes. So, I first printed the diamond one in Robo 3D Blue, but sadly, I ran out. So I reprinted it in this gray, so that it's a stone pickaxe, and I actually like the stone one a bit better. The next thing I want to talk about is this Mario cube. Joel actually printed this to hold money for the charity. I put some coins in there, and it was a pain to put together. The sides have pegs, and the box has holes, and it goes together like this. And then when you're done, you put the lid on. This is the Fortnite hand cannon designed by FunKing3d. We scaled it up to fit my hand perfectly, and we designed the orange tip so that cops don't come and arrest me. And this is the Fortnite Raven. This is a character from Fortnite. I personally bought it, and he's very cool. Let me show you the things I printed for Zach. I printed him these 2 Robber Rexes since he loves dinosaurs. I printed him these 2 tank ores. I've printed him this tugboat, this Matter Hackers Phil, and most recently, this TIE Fighter. There's been some more things I've printed for him, but I'm pretty sure they're lost. So you can't go a full year without any holiday stuff. So we printed this turkey for Thanksgiving, and I've printed some Christmas stuff, but sadly they're boxed up with the Christmas crap. There was also some practical prints this year, just like the slant 3D spool that we used for Rhino Reel. This spool holder, and then a fan duct in the Robo, and then this camera mount, and this camera mount that didn't work so well. My dad's favorite thing is this Lego minifigure toilet paper holder. We gave one to Repcord. It's hard to say my favorite. I like the hand cannon. I like the Joelbot. I like the Raven. I love my rocket. Available on Thingiverse, link in the description. It's just hard to choose. I love everything that I printed throughout the year. Well, this is the end of this week's episode of Xander's Sling Thursday. I want to thank each and every one of you for giving me the opportunity to do a year's worth of Xander's Sling Thursdays, and I am definitely looking forward to the next year. Thank you again for not only tuning into this week's episode, but all year's worth of episodes. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hello everybody, and I'm Xander from FunKing3d. Hello everybody, 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 I'm Xander from FunKing3d. Happy New Year, everybody. This is Xander from FunKing3d. Hello everybody, I'm 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 Xander from FunKing3d. Arrgh everybody, I'm Xander from FunKing3d. Hello 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 everybody, I'm Xander from FunKing3d. Hey everybody, so how do you kill a blue elephant? With a blue elephant gun. How do you kill a pink elephant? You hold their nose until they turn blue, and then you shoot them with the blue elephant gun. Who's ever heard of a pink elephant gun?